North Goa State Legal Services Authority, we the Mapsa Advocate Forum has conducted a drug awareness program for the students from this Bardes area, particularly Kalangpur, and it was well received. We had more than 400 students, I think, and we made them aware of the causes and the risks that are involved if you start abusing and using drugs at this stage. It was well received, and the students understood the ramifications of going into drug trade or drug consumption, basically. And we also told them about the safeguards provided under the act for citizens so that they are not falsely implicated. All those things were explained to the students also, to tell these things in their village, so that police or the investigating agencies do not misuse their powers under the act. So in short, this was about awareness about drugs, and the risks that are involved was intimated.
Okay. So your good name?
My name is Advocate Paresh Rao. I am the president of the Mapsa Advocates Forum.
सध्या सर आमी पळयलां की खुबशे अशे केसीस गोंयांत जातात आनी तुमी आतां अवेरनस प्रोग्राम पळयला खूब फावटी चडशे जाण करतात. हो प्रोग्राम करून तुमकां दिसता की खंय तरी इम्प्रूवमेंट जातली कशी?
आतां आमचो फुडार म्हणजे आमची भुरगीं. आतां फर्स्ट टायम आमी भुरग्यां खातीर केलां. हें खंयच्यान सुरू जाता? आज तांकां तें सुद्दां सांगलें की वेपिंग म्हणून नवीन सुरू जाला इन्स्टेड ऑफ सिगरेट. अशें पसरयलें वता की तातूंत कांय प्रॉब्लम ना, वेपिंग इज इलेक्ट्रीक, तातूंत तुका कांय त्रास जावपाचो ना. तांकां आज आमी एक्सप्लेन करून सांगलें की दीस इज अ स्टेपींग स्टोन फॉर गोईंग इन टू ड्रग्स फर्दर ऑन. सो ह्यो गोश्टी जर आमच्या ह्या फुडार येणारे हे जनरेशनाक कळत जाल्यार ताचो डेफिनेटली इवन जर एक मनशाक जर बेनिफीट जाता जाल्यार दीस प्रोग्राम इज वर्थ इट, बिकॉज एक फॅमिली सेव जाता. एक ड्रग एडिक्ट म्हणजे एक नश्ट जावप फॅमिली समज.
ड्रग अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम आसलो which was conducted by the Goa State Legal Service Authority. तो आमकां सॅटर्डे 2 दीस आदी तेणें आमकां सांगलें की हो प्रोग्राम करुया म्हणून फॉर ड्रग अब्यूज, ड्रग मेन्स टू द सोसायटी, ड्रग्स इज अ मेन्स टू द सोसायटी म्हणून. आनी हो 30 days प्रोग्राम हो आमचे गोवा स्टेट लिगल सर्वीस ऑथॉरिटीन केल्लो. आनी आमी सगळ्या स्कुलांक स्टुडंट्सांक आपयले आनी आमच्या कॉन्फरन्स हॉलान तांकां आमी टॉक्स दिले. सो आमचो 2 जाण एडवोकेट परेश राव, एडवोकेट वामन गायतोंडे आनी एक एडवोकेट यतीन पंडोस्कर आनी PSI किरण नायक, हे सगळे हांगा येवन आमकां टॉक दिले. आनी इट वॉज अ गुड टॉक. All the Panchayat members were also present. We also enjoyed the talk which they gave, which we were not aware what to do and what we had to do. So आमकांय तेणें आमचे एडवोकेट परेश रावान मार्गदर्शन दिलें कशें कितें करपाचें तें. So these are the things which are it's like a process of life. So we are trying to create awareness among the students and then go to a higher things like मागीर आनी एक ग्राम सभान आनी एक आमी हो टॉपीक इन्क्लूड करतले.
येस.
Thank you.